When looking at a multitude of multimeters on the market, it can be tough to figure out what devices have the features required for the job at hand. So let's get an exact reading with this week's feature product, the compact True RMS digital multimeter from Procore. When it comes to multimeters, finding one that is labeled True RMS is key to getting precise measurements in this day of modern technologies. Most multimeters measure a standard pure sine wave by doing a quick calculation. But if the sine wave isn't pure, meaning that it has distortion or irregular patterns like spikes, pulse trains, or square roots. True root mean square, or RMS, is able to read those sine waves, no matter the distortion, and provide an accurate reading. This compact little tester also has a multitude of other features, including automatic range detection, which intelligently selects the appropriate measurement range for the parameter being measured. A diode check that helps ensure that diodes are working properly on a circuit board. The continuity test determines if a circuit is opened or closed, and is used pretty much on anything from switches, fuses, and many other electrical components. There's even a non-contact voltage detector that gives a visual and audible indication that a circuit is live. The measurements are all shown on a large, easy to read, backlit LCD display, with the device itself encased in a double molding housing to help protect its internals from any accidental tumbling that might occur on a job site. Finally, it comes with all the accessories needed to take easy measurements like the test leads, a temperature probe, and even a carrying case. And when compared to other major brands in the multimeter game, this compact Procore device has all the same features, but is substantially easier on the bank account. So get a handle on the current with this week's feature product, the compact True RMS digital multimeter from Procore. What do you use your multimeter for? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when we post more 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.